Hey, what's going on, guys? Sean here from the Diamond Cart, and today we're going to be doing something quite new, actually. I'm going to be playing a game called Wolf Life, so let's jump right into it here in a bit. And guess who's joining me today? I'm being joined by none other than Pixie! Hey, Pix. Okay, guys, well, this is the game that we both play together, so if you want, you can come join me. Let's get this game loaded in, shall we? Okay, Pixie, if you want to meet me down by spawn, please. Okay, I'll come find you. Where are you at? She's going to my little den area here. That's what we're gonna go get right now. Let me finish making this up. You guys will see my username here in a moment. Pixie, you still here? She's up there. Okay, guys, well, Pixie's AFK real quick, so let's find her here. There she is. Right, guys, my pack is demons, guys, so, if you guys decide to ever join me during the video, please do make sure to, give me a shout here. But yes, I am. Yeah, I can hear you, Pixie. That's my mate, guys. Don't worry about that.
So your mate's joining us for your video too. Amazing.
No, I'm gonna try and get her on for my next one.
I thought you said you wanted something.
No, I was letting the people know that why I put that name over my head. But anyways, guys, welcome to this is a game I play called Wolf Life. And of course, this is Pixie here, so.
Hello.
Pixie, I'm gonna unlock our wolf den here.
Fine.
Lock the den. But yeah, guys, this is my PAX den. I'm just gonna quickly do a quick run around with you guys here. I'll let you guys get to see the map. So yeah, this is. I actually just pressed E there, guys, so don't worry about that. And that was my Q key. I won't always be telling you guys which key I press. Some of them are. I'm not gonna be going through the whole entire list. And Pixie, I got the first medical den. I got one of the medical dens. I know you guys really can't hear her howl. That's because it's some within the game. Ooh, gem. Sorry, guys. But yeah, that's all about. Oop. Okay. But yeah, guys, what this is all about is this is pretty much a roleplay game here on Roblox. I mean, the group did really nice with it. I like it. I like how they did this.
Nope, someone got it already. We only have one medical gun, apparently.
I'm gonna try and get someone else on. Hold on, guys. I'm gonna try and get a good friend of mine on here. She also plays. She's actually my mate here. Let's see if she is online. let's see if she's online. So then I'll, and she is not. Oh, never mind. Anyways, secrets about this map. If you come running through here, sometimes it can be a little stubborn. But after you settle down, after you let yourself relax, yes, a white flower. Yes, there's white flower in here. Okay. Yeah, that's one thing she has issues with. Then there's a flower up over here. I still have yet to find a black flower in here. There's a flower right here too, guys. This is a red one. I believe it's right here. Nope, nope, it's over here. Never mind, guys. The signal right there. There she came out. That's the red one. This is the red one right here. That's all those flowers do. Is they just put sparkles around. Yeah. But hey, we into the water. Now see, yes, it says demon above my head and all, but hey, what's up? But hey. As you can tell, there are several people like us in this game. Anyways, I'm gonna go and be quiet and let you guys enjoy the game. But hey, Pix, you want to tell them about our backstory? About your amulet? No, I was talking about my viewers. Guys, the amulet that Pixie's wearing here was actually the has a tooth from my ex-mate and her mother in it. It's actually quite a story to tell. And hey, I got a yellow one this round.
You got yellow, and I got black.
I want a black flower. Usually when I'm this whoop, I usually always get black flower. I usually always get a black one.
There we go.
I usually always get black flower.
Pink.
There we go. Yeah, it usually never takes me that long to get a black flower. But yeah, guys, there's really not much to this game. If she wants, we can actually each go one very, very unique wolf that we have. She has the alpha wolf right now. I'm just a standard wolf.
Dragon?
Yeah, dragon. Is that what you want to do?
That's up to you.
Yeah. Let's show them what. Give us a easier view of the map for the viewers. It'll be easier on the viewers. Guys, what I'm doing is I'm actually going a thing called a dragon wolf. I'm doing this so you guys have a better view here. This if I don't crash. Ugh, I might crash. Ugh. But yeah, see, there's a baby one of what I am right there. That's what Pixie will look like, except not those colors. And there's one, and there's an adult me. And there's Pixie.
Where's that?
You literally run right by me. Pixie, how are we gonna roleplay with this one? Alright guys, I really can't change my coloring, but hey. Let's do like Spike, the longest video ever. But anyways, I know the name really doesn't fit it, but hey. There, Shadowwing is what I'm going by on this one. But yeah, guys, let's actually go ahead and get a flying look. As soon as we break out of this leg spike here, I'm sorry. Guys, I'm so sorry about this leg here. I usually do not fly this slow. Come on, come on, come on. Breakthrough, breakthrough, breakthrough. Ugh. Guys, well, I'm gonna end the recording here. I'm sorry to leave you guys on such a hard note with, well, actually such a hanger here. But, hey. If you guys like the series, please do leave a thumbs up, and be sure to stay tuned for future videos, guys. Peace out.